guys, welcome to a new location. Welcome to the second episode of the third season of the Belgium travel vlog series. Today we are here in the city of Newport. Newport is a town at the Belgian coast that is known for its history in World War I, but also because of its beautiful port, historic center and pleasant beach. So let's have a look what Newport has to offer. There's already the first stop, the west front. The perfect place to tell the story about the flooding is at the impressive King Albert I monument. This is the place where the course of the German invasion of Belgium in 1914 is marked. Below the monument, in honor of the victims of World War I, lies the Western Front. Newport has set up an interactive visitor center where you can delve into the history of World War I. I think this is the entrance. It's a bunker. Yes, so here you have the entrance. I'm not going inside because I don't have that much time. So guys, I don't have the time to visit the visitor center of the West Front Memorial, but I looked it up and it's open every day except Monday from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. and entrance is 10 euros. And I think 1 hour, maybe 2 hours if you read everything is more than enough to visit the West Front Memorial. Now let's walk to the center of Newport. You can already see it there, the beautiful church. So it's a 10-minute walk maybe, and then we are in the center of Newport. There you also have some nice buildings. So right next to the West Front Memorial you have the Iser River, where you can have a nice stroll. And behind the bridge you will find the fish market, the port of Newport. We are now walking towards the Grote Markt, where we can find the Church of Our Lady and the Market Square. So excited to see some beautiful historic buildings. So the Newport Town Hall in its current form, in Flemish Neo-Renaissance style, dates from 1922. During the reconstructions after World War I, the aim was to gather all important public buildings near the market square. So behind the town hall of Newport you will find this beautiful Church of Our Lady. So this is the back of the town hall. So in the center of Newport there's not much to see except the market square, but there is also Newport on the sea. So it's two different city centers, and there you have the promenade, the beach. So but first we do the fish market in the port of Newport, and then we go to Newport on sea. But the town of Newport with its market square, it's really worth a visit. So beautiful. Watch this nice square with all the flags of the European Union, I think. I guess so. And there you also have the Belgian flag, the Flemish flag, European Union flag. So here the fish get brought ashore. So it looks already closed. There's like no one there. So, but it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Maybe that's why. So the fishing port was already important in the 12th centuries, and with ups and downs it remained so until the 1960s. From then on, an important port was used as a marina. Now there are still fishing boats active that stay at sea for between 2 and 5 days. The fish are brought ashore early in the morning, mainly on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And yes, today is a Tuesday afternoon, so that's maybe why it's already closed. But now we are continue our stroll towards the Marina of Newport. It's a 5-minute walk from the fishing port, I think, 5-10 minutes. So here on the right side of the Iser we already have a big marina. From the 1960s this marina was equipped for a capacity of 750 boats, right behind me. But soon a major expansion became necessary, and so the Novus Portus was built. Around 1200 boats came more here in the new marina. This makes Newport the largest marina in Northern Europe. So this is the end of the old port. It's a nice place with all the flags pointing to the southeast of the country. There's a lot of wind today, and here in West Flanders, Belgian coast, it's always windy. So right in front of me you will see the nature reserve Iser. All that greenery, I'll tell you more about it later, because we're going to the nature reserve at the end of this vlog. So from here you can see the Iser flows into the North Sea. It's the only river, the only Belgian river that goes into the North Sea. Now we are going around the port to the promenade, all the way to the beach. So I expect a 20-minute walk to the beach, and then I can walk at the promenade there and visit the nature reserve. So here flows the Iser into the North Sea, and here you have the beach of Newport. Dus dat is micro 1. This is the same statue that we found a couple years ago in the city of Namur in that video. I think it was the third of the fourth episode of the first season of the Belgium travel vlog series of me that I visited Namur, and there on top of the citadel we found that statue. So we took this ferry, which was free, and it was like 5 minutes. So now we are at the entrance of the nature reserve of the Iser. So this nature reserve is unique in Belgium because it's the only place where a river flows into the North Sea. So where salt and fresh water meet, a special biotope developed with fauna and flora such as samphire, salt marshes, dunes, beaches and boulders. So because of this sign, forbidden entrance, is because of the nature reserve. They want to give like this space of the beach to the birds. Now let's walk to the water before we end this video, because the pier, you see it's there, it's another 10-15 minutes walk, I think. So I'm not going to do that. We already had a good enough view of Newport by the sea. So Newport is the first of 8 episodes here at the Belgian coast. I'm going to do a lot of other things here, and after the 8 episodes are done, maybe I do a top 10 video to let you know which place you can't miss, you really can't miss, because there's plenty to do here. But if you are here for a couple of days, or maybe a day, or maybe 2 days, then I will help you with that and recommend you some things. Now we are here at the water, the North Sea. I'm not going into the water because I don't have extra shoes. When you go with wet feet in the sand, then it's a struggle with the socks and stuff, so I'm not going to do that. But such a nice day. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I really recommend you to come to Newport. It was a nice and joyful day here. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, an reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel LAWCATION. I want to hit the 1,000 subscribers before the new year, so it's now almost the beginning of August, so we have still 4 months for 200 subscribers. I hope it works, and I will see you again in another location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.